Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to switch a laptop from Wi-Fi to Ethernet. So here as you can see, I'm on my home screen. Now if you hover your mouse right here, you'll find your Wi-Fi connection. And all you need to do is right click this and click on Network and Internet Settings. And here as you can see, I'm connected on a Wi-Fi. Now to connect your Ethernet, you just need to click on this Advanced Network Settings. And here you'll find your network adapters. So as you can see, I have here Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Now, if you want to enable your Ethernet, you just need to disable your Wi-Fi. So first up here, you just need to plug in your Ethernet adapter. And you just need to click on this Enable button right here, and then it will change your Wi-Fi connection into Ethernet. So that's how you basically switch your laptop from Wi-Fi to Ethernet. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.